At this juncture, we will now hear from Estrella L. De Leon with high honors for welcome remarks.
To our esteemed guest of honor, the Director on Bureau of Special Education, Director Alcam U. Sangkula, Sir, our innovative schools division superintendent, Dr. Myra Borhamangkabong Sese, Ma'am, our approachable school principal, Mr. Jerry R. Gasagas, Sir, our dedicated teachers, proud parents, fellow graduates, other visitors, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. A pleasant morning to each and everyone. It is with great pride and honor that I welcome you all to our graduation day with this year's theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa sa Agapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. Today marks a significant milestone in our journey as we are about to face the transition to the next chapter of our lives. It is with immense joy that we gather here to celebrate our accomplishments, perseverance, and growth throughout elementary school years. As we reflect on the memories we've shared and the lessons we've learned, let us also recognize the dedication and support of our teachers and parents who have played an integral role in shaping our future. They have nurtured our talents, instilled values, and inspired us to reach for the stars. Let us cherish this moment as a testament of our hard work and determination. As we embark on new adventures and challenges ahead, let us share with us the lessons learned and the friendships forged along the way. Let us also not forget to thank Allah for all His blessings, wisdom, and guidance every step of our way. Alhamdulillah. With that, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the graduating class 2025 of Pamilan Central Elementary School, I once again welcome you all to our closing exercises. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
At this point in time, we would like to express our sincere appreciation. Please join me in welcoming Al-Shahir P. Dakatan with high honors to the podium to share a message of gratitude.
My respect to the dignitaries of stage, to our Director of Bureau of Spatial Education, Director Alcam U. Sangkula, Sir, to our honored guest speaker, to our ever active schools division superintendent, Dr. Myra Borhamangkabong Sese, to our multi-award principal, Mr. Jerry R. Besagas, Sir, PTA officers, dear teachers, proud parents, fellow graduates, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, Sikahang Kemon. A beautiful, blessed, and grace-filled morning to all of you. Today marks the culmination of our elementary school journey and the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. As we stand here, we remember the journey that brought us to this moment. I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the people who made this journey possible. To my teachers, from grade 1 to grade 6, thank you for your patience,
guidance, and unwavering support. You were all kind, strict, and funny in your own ways, making learning an enjoyable experience. I would like to extend my special thanks to Ma'am Amelia de la Car Petros, who inspired me to strive for excellence. Her constant words of encouragement still resonate in my heart. To my SLG and DESO advisor, Mrs. Perla Bernardo, Ma'am, and Mr. Joey Gaganti, Sir, thank you so much for your guidance and support. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed, and I'm grateful for your presence in my life. To our school principal, Mr. Jerry Armasagas, Sir, thank you for creating a nurturing